If you want to remove mailboxes in Yahoo Mail, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Just keep in mind that you cannot remove your main Yahoo mailbox, only any added mailboxes that you no longer need. This is useful if you connected an extra mailbox and want to clean up your account, simplify your inbox setup, or remove access to an old account. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're inside your inbox, look for the settings icon, which is the gear icon in the top corner. Click on settings to open the menu. From there, choose more settings. This will take you to the full settings area where Yahoo keeps the options for your account, mail, and connected mailboxes. Once the more settings page opens, look for the section labeled mailboxes. This is where all of your connected mailboxes are listed. Now you'll see the mailboxes that have been added to your Yahoo Mail account. Select the mailbox you want to remove. Make sure you choose the added mailbox and not your main Yahoo mailbox, because your primary mailbox cannot be deleted from this section. After selecting the mailbox, click Remove. Yahoo will usually ask you to confirm that you do really want to disconnect or delete that mailbox from your setup. Read the confirmation carefully and then confirm the removal. Once you complete that step, the mailbox will be removed from Yahoo Mail and it should no longer appear in your mailboxes list. If you had messages or synced settings tied to that mailbox, they will no longer be managed through Yahoo Mail after removal. So before deleting it, it's always a good idea to make sure you no longer need it connected. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove added mailboxes in Yahoo Mail. Remember, the main Yahoo mailbox cannot be removed, but any extra mailboxes can be deleted using the settings menu. If this helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial.